Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the Post Carousel Block to create stunning carousels in Gutenberg. Let's go. To start, let's click on the empty block space. Then on the Quick Block menu, type Post Carousel in the search bar, and then select the block from there. With that, the Post Carousel Block will populate your landing page. This default appearance contains post images, category texts, titles, and meta. You can find more preset styles for the carousel by opening the Block Settings tab right under the General section. Change between the styles and select something that fits the best. Also, you can toggle the buttons below to keep or hide selective elements from the carousel, including title, excerpt, button, reading time, etc. Under the Content section, you can customize the title tag, title word limit, and author prefix. After that comes the Query section. Here, you can customize what content to serve on the carousel. First, you can select the source of the items displayed. By default, posts are selected. Next, you can filter and display posts by selecting authors. In the same way, you can use the include, exclude, categories, and tags filters here. Also, you can determine the number of posts displayed per page here. Plus, you can further sort your posts by selecting post order. The last section is the carousel options. Here, you can change the transition effect between slide and overflow. While the slide effect is the most used carousel effect, the overflow style creates a unique semblance of the content. After that, you can change the number of columns for the carousel, followed by the column gap and transition speed settings. You can also have loop, autoplay, navigation, and pagination switchers below. With autoplay on, you can determine the autoplay delay and toggle pause on hover. Turning on the navigation switch, you can see two arrows appear on both sides of the carousel. Then again, a navigation section will appear down below. Here, you can customize the navigation arrows by turning on the switch and customizing the icons. And that's everything on the basic settings for the Post Carousel. Now moving on to the Style tab. The first section is the Item Container. Here, you can add and customize a border around the post items with options like border type, color, and width. Then you can adjust the border radius value to round the corners. There's also a padding option available, and you can choose a custom color for the background as well. White color is being used here. Then you can edit the content padding in the next section. After that, you can customize the thumbnails by their custom height, followed by the thumbnail resolution, border radius, and more. One thing you can do is ungroup the border radius field and change the right and left values to 0. Now the thumbs will only have curves on the top part. Then next is the title section. Here, you can style the title font with the typography control. In typography, you can customize the font family, size, weight, style, decoration, etc. Lots of options here, so take your time. After that, feel free to adjust the title margin and then edit the title color as well. The color option is available for both normal and hover. Next is the meta section. Here, go for the typography as the first thing. Then you can customize the color of the meta. Then, from the category section, you can start customizing the font first. Now go for the border radius. You can see it because there's no color to see, so let's pick a background color for it. Also, pick white for the text, and that looks matching now. The color options are also available in hover mode, so count that as well. Next is the navigation part. Here, you can first set the horizontal offset for the arrows, followed by border radius and icon size. Not to forget the colors, make sure to edit for both normal and hover. The last section is the pagination. Here, you can customize the space between the pagination bar as well as the space between the content and pagination. Notice the options below are available for both normal and active modes. So you can customize the width, height, border, radius, and background color for the pagination. You can make tons of different variations here. With that, your post carousel is ready to roll out. Last but not least, you can anytime refer to these ready patterns, designed with the Post Carousel Block. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.